Hello everyone. So we have finished the first question of exercise 3.4 in our previous video, and we are continuing with the chapter of pair of linear equations in two variables. We have to move to question number 2. So it says, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. And first part, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So there is a fraction, right? So in that fraction, let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. X and y is my fraction. If 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, a fraction becomes 1. So let's solve it. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is my first equation. For the second condition, it says it becomes half, right? If we only add 1 to the denominator. So x y plus 1. So 2x is equal to y plus 1. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is the second equation. So equating 1 and 2, we get x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. So let's subtract these equations. So this will be minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So I get minus x, they get cancelled, and is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3. Now let's substitute. So substituting x in first equation. So first equation is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to y. So y is equal to 5. So answer, the fraction is 3 by 5. Second part, it says 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay, so we have, let Noori's age be x years and Sonu's age be y years. So 5 years ago, both were 5 years younger. So x minus 5 and y minus 5. So Noori was thrice as old as him. So x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is the first equation. Now for second condition, they say 10 years later. So 10 years will be added to both of their ages. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. And we have to find their ages. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. Now equating both the equations, equating 1 and 2. So we have x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal. Subtracting these equations and all these signs will change. So these are cancelled. So minus y is equal to minus 20. So y is equal to 20. Now substituting the value of y. So substituting the value of y in first equation. So we have x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So x minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. X minus 60 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to 50. So Nouri's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. Third part, we have the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. So let ones digit or units digit be x and tens digit be y. Okay, so first equation, the sum of digits is 9. So we can say x plus y is equal to 9. So that's the first equation. Second equation, we have 9 times the number. So original number will be 10 into tens digit plus ones digit, and the reversed number will be 10x plus y. Digits have been reversed. Now it says 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. 90y minus 2y plus 9x minus 20x is equal to 0. So it has 88y minus 11x is equal to 0. Now 11 I can take common, so 8y minus x is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. Adding first and second equation. So x plus y is equal to 9 and minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. This gets cancelled. 9y is equal to 9, so y is equal to 1. Now substituting the value of y in first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus y, so x is equal to 9 minus 1, so x is equal to 8. So therefore answer is number is 10y plus x. So we have 10 into 1 plus 8. So we have 18. Fourth part, we have Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. How many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received? Okay. So let the number of notes, whatever has been asked, that only we can assume it, right? So let the number of 50 rupee notes be x and the number of 100 rupees notes be y. So total notes is 25, right? So for x plus y is equal to 25. That's the first equation. Second equation, we have to convert into money. So the money would be 50x and 100 rupee notes for y. So 100y and the money is 2000. So now I can take 50 common. So x plus 2y is equal to 40. So this is the second equation. Now equating 1 and 2. So we get x plus y is equal to 25 and x plus 2y is equal to 40. So subtracting, this gets cancelled. Minus y is equal to minus 15, y is equal to 15. Substituting y, in first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 25. So we have x plus 15 is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 minus 15. So x is equal to 10. She received 1500 rupee notes and 10 50 rupees notes. So 1500 plus 500. Fifth part, it says a lending library has a fixed charge of first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book she kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. You have to find the fixed charge and the charge each extra day. Okay, so we have, let the fixed charge be rupees x. The charge per extra day be rupees y. So now it says Sarita paid rupees 27. Okay, 27 and for 7 days. So first 3 days are fixed. So for first 3 days she paid x and out of 7, 4 days are left. So 4y is equal to 27. First equation. While Susie paid rupees 21. So x will be for fixed charge for 3 days and she kept for 5 days. So 2y is equal to 21. This is the second equation. Right, so let's equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. We have x plus 4y is equal to 27 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. Subtract. So signs will change. This gets cancelled. So 2y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 3. So those per day charges rupees 3. Now substituting the value of y in second equation. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 21. So x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 21. X plus 6 is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 minus 6. So x is equal to 15. So 15 is the fixed charge for 3 days. Okay, so answer. So the fixed charge is rupees 15 and the charge per extra day is 3. So we have finished second question as well as we have finished exercise 3.4 in this video. Now we are going to start exercise 3.5 that will have a new method of solving the pair of linear equations in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all